Today I'm reviewing this corner plant stand with grow lights, and I've had it for just about a year and I absolutely love it. From someone who does not really have a green thumb, but I do love plants, the grow lights have helped keep my plants alive. So they do work as a light source for your indoor plants, and it's got lots of different places for plants to go, and it looks beautiful in the corner. The wood is a really good material, and it was a little bit difficult to put together. Not anything that took more than an hour and a half, and I did it by myself. I get compliments on this all the time, and I really love it. It fills the space that I need it to fill without being too bulky and too much. It's also really light and easy to move, but it is durable, and it can hold your bigger pots as well. There are different settings for the light, so obviously you can turn it off, and that's what it looks like, and then you can turn it on. It's also got a timer, 3, 9, and 12 hours. You can set it for that if you want. You can also change which lights you want on and which lights you want off. And then you can change the dimness as well. That's the lowest level and goes all the way up to the brightest level. You can also choose where you want your lights to be on the plant stand. I chose these locations, but you can move them. It comes with adhesive and screws, so you can do either one of those.